Why did I start martial arts? Because I wanted to defend people and myself.
Defending other people, why is that important to you?
Because they need to be safe, and I'm the only one who can do it. Before I started martial arts, I was shy and not really confident. Now I am a confident person and I'm better at soccer. Now after doing martial arts, I am super confident and super good. I am now a yellow-black. I want to get to a black belt. People should do martial arts so they can protect themselves if they ever get attacked.
So Harley was chosen the Student of the Month for his intensity every time he's in class. He tries so hard every time, I can see it. He helps students and he has great focus and great listening skills in every class. He is a superstar student that I wish we had more of him. He's so awesome in class. And high five for doing fantastic this month, Harley.
Fighting stance.
Hi!